Hi guys, I'm Wana from the Midnight Mouse, and today I'm seeing for the first time and actually touching for the first time a mini art diorama kit. So let's see together what this is about. First of all, I would say that I ordered this from a shop in Romania. It is named Machete, and this is everything that came in my package. They were really kind and gave me also a gift card with my purchase, and through this way I thank you. This is the gift card. Okay, I received some Vallejo pamphlets. They actually contain color swatches, and these are really useful for me. I always keep them when I have the opportunity to get them. I think the color swatches are here. Yeah, I mostly use Vallejo, so these are a great gift. Thank you. I picked the country diorama because it's quite big and has two houses, small houses. My idea is to create with this a farming landscape. That is something a bit common here in Romania, and this is perfect. We do have this kind of architecture in some parts of our country, so yeah. Also, I was really curious about how miniatures will look in 1/35 scale. You are not able to see it assembled yet. Somewhere on the box we have a small overview, so you do have the option to customize the inside as well. That is really interesting. Yeah, let's open this baby up. Okay, here we have from the shop that I've purchased the box some ways of preparing your miniatures or dioramas and how to start working on them. It's just a short overview. Thank you so much for this. Here are the pieces in quite a big pack. These will be quite useful. There are so many pieces. I feel already intimidated by this, and I will still have to this is part of a roof, but this one I don't exactly know. This so you still have to cut each piece from this. These seem to be injection molds, made on injection molds, but the plastic is not flimsy at all, so it's quite thick. I wasn't expecting this, to be honest. I thought it would be a bit more flimsy. But this floor, the planks from the floor have the same size of coffee stirrers, as far as I can see. And this is quite easy to replicate due to its size. I will be using this diorama as reference for many others, at least for this scale. Oh, this is one of the houses, so big windows, big door. Yeah, I can work with it. Oh, and look at the details. You don't need much weathering or spackle on the facade because you already have the dents. Oh wow, The textures are amazing. This is ground. Wow. Wow, I love it. It's amazing. So I think this is the diorama size. These are actually the two houses. Yeah. Big enough. Oh, let's see, we have doors, shutters. There you go. This will need a cleanup. This is a fence, a small fence, some windows. Oh, these are actually tiny handles for the door. Wow. Okay, let's see what else. So we have again the previous sprue, and again I think it's more than I need. I have two houses and 3 of the same sprues. Well, I guess I will say thank you for the extras. This is the barn door. Look at the hinges. I really love the hinges, but the handles need the cleanup. Okay. And these are the gutters, I think. Wow. So yeah, this is the whole pile. I really love it. It's actually more than I've expected, and I'm so happy to start working on it. I will film everything and we'll see each other in my next video. Thank you. Bye.